Welcome back. You're watching Media and Art TV, and I'm your host Adina Sabir. Today, we're diving into the fascinating complete guide to the animation production process. From concept to screen. Introduction. The illusion of a single artist. One of the primary goals of animation, whether in feature films, TV series, games, or advertisements, is to create the illusion that the entire project was crafted by a single artist. However, this is far from reality. Feature films require 300+ staff, including animators, layout artists, background painters, and production teams. TV series may involve 50+ artists, with many roles condensed due to budget constraints. For example, a TV layout artist may handle backgrounds, character layouts, and scene planning, whereas in a feature film, these tasks are divided among specialized departments. Camera cues in storyboarding. A visual guide. Motion and action cues. Object or character movement is depicted using free-form arrows inside the frame, showing the path of motion. These help illustrate unique actions, such as a specific walking style or an object's trajectory. Camera motion symbols usually appear near the edges of the cell, while object motion cues are placed inside near the relevant element. For clarity, changing the color of motion arrows makes them stand out, ensuring smooth communication for animators and filmmakers. By using these standardized symbols, storyboard artists ensure precise collaboration between directors, cinematographers, and VFX teams, keeping the visual storytelling process efficient. Feature studios versus TV studios. Key differences. Feature animation studios, e.g., Disney, Pixar, DreamWorks, have dedicated departments for visual development, art direction, and character animation. They may assign separate animators for each main character to ensure high-quality performance. For example, The Lion King 2019 had a team specializing in fur simulation for photorealistic animals. In contrast, TV animation studios, e.g., Nickelodeon Cartoon Network, operate with smaller teams where artists take on multiple roles, such as storyboard artists also handling cleanup. TV productions have faster schedules and often use simpler animation techniques, like Adventure Time's limited animation with strong stylization. The rise of freelance and small studio models. Due to economic pressures, many studios now operate with a small core team, 5 to 10 people, and hire freelancers per project. This model offers advantages. Studios save costs by scaling teams up or down as needed, while freelancers enjoy creative variety, working on different styles like anime, CGI, or stop motion. Independent studios like Leica, Coraline, use a hybrid model, blending in-house and freelance talent. The role of technology in modern animation. Computers have revolutionized animation over the past 30 years, replacing traditional methods. Digital ink and paint eliminated cell painting, allowing unlimited layers, versus the old 7-layer limit. 3D animation replaced physical models. Compare Toy Story to Wallace and Gromit stop motion. Digital compositing enables dynamic camera movements, like Spider-Verse multi-angle sequences. Disney's Frozen, for example, used dynamic snow simulation software, which would have been impossible with hand-drawn techniques. The layout artist. Building the animated world. The layout artist designs the stage where animation happens, ensuring perspective accuracy, the incredible cityscapes, consistent composition, Spirited Away's detailed bathhouse, and dynamic camera staging, Madagascar's zooms. Required skills include mastery of architectural drawing, lighting, and cinematography, along with the ability to enhance storyboards without altering the director's vision. The storyboard artist. Visualizing the script. The storyboard artist translates the script into visual sequences, acting as a blueprint for the entire film. Key responsibilities include drawing expressive characters, dynamic poses, and clear action while understanding film language. Compare The Simpsons shot framing to Attack on Titan. For example, Avatar: The Last Airbender storyboards included detailed fight choreography before animation began. Essential tools for layout and storyboard artists. Artists rely on pencils, 2B, 6B, clutch pencils, for clean line work, charcoal or graphite powder for quick sketching, and brush pens or markers for dynamic inking. Batman, the animated series noir style. A proper workspace includes an animation desk with a rotating disc for smooth drafting, electric sharpeners and erasers for efficiency, and a reference library of books, photos, and films for inspiration. Conclusion: the collaborative nature of animation. Animation is a team effort, blending artistry, technology, and storytelling. Key takeaways include: feature films demand specialization, while TV animation requires versatility. Freelancing and digital tools are shaping the industry's future. Layout and storyboard artists are the unsung heroes behind every animated world. Final thought: animation is about creating the illusion of life, and it takes a village to make it believable.